Okay. Just give me 2 minutes, guys. Okay. Okay. So my screen is visible, guys. Today is Friday or Thursday? Friday. Guys, Monday we have a demo for DevOps. Okay. You just join the demo class first. Okay. If you like my teaching, you can continue if you have a time. So as I said, this course is for dedicatedly work for 3 months. Okay. So December and my target is to complete AWS and like DevOps also. You can start from 2024 into the, calls may increase at the 2024. We'll get more calls. So may you can go into the market with your 2 skills. So once again, I'm saying you can compare with 4 to 5 years experience, guys, with my training. Definitely. There is no compromise in that. Okay. Timings is 9 to 10:30. 10:15 hour. Okay. So you guys should attend the AWS class in time. I will start 7:30 a.m. sharp. Okay. I supposed to finish at 8:45. Okay. In between, there is a gap for 15 minutes. Okay. So please stick on timings. Once again, I'm saying, so AWS or DevOps, you can compare with 4 or 5 years experience persons. Okay. I'm not saying just you can compare with after my complete training. If you have any colleagues, friends, you just test your knowledge. Okay. Okay. So yesterday we already discussed AMI, golden AMI or custom AMI, both are same. Okay. And the main thing I'm going to discuss today is a connection from local to remote, that is but laptop to cloud. Okay. For that, what are the prerequisites, guys? Already we discussed yesterday. Connection. So local to client. So sorry, local to cloud. Okay. 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 So yes, tell me, guys. Just we can discuss about Linux only. Completely will work on Linux, not Windows. Okay. So this is my laptop. Yeah, this is my cloud. AWS and easy to hear. Okay. So my laptop. So I can just mention Linux. Okay. Perfect. So now let me check. I hope your issue is resolved, Abhinandan, right? Okay. Tell me guys, what are the prerequisites to connect from laptop to cloud? I mean local to cloud. Protocol. Okay, I'll just write here. Protocol. SSH, right? Linux protocol is SSH. Next, internet. Very good, Manasa. This is a very important point. Internet. Okay, internet. Protocol SSH. Port number is 22. Yes. Port number is 22. Clear? SSH port number 22. Sorry, 22. What about like Windows port number? 3389. 3389. Okay. Protocol name is RDP, remote desktop. So SSH is nothing but secure shell. Okay. Okay. So these things is fine to connect EC2 instance. Everyone, is it fine? Internet, SSH, secure shell. Is this fine? Everyone? No, leave about VPC. I'm not into that level. Okay. Leave about. We are just discussing default network, right? Very good, Sunil. We are discussing default network, right? Default VPC. My instance is there in the default VPC. So default VPC, everything is there, internet and everything is there. I'm not going into that level. Once we done default network usage, then we can move into custom network. Everything we can build the infrastructure from the scratch. Later we can launch one instance in the custom network. As of now, we are doing the activity in default network, default VPC, default security group, default subnet, everything is default. Okay, leave it. So tell me guys, internet, yes, protocol, yes, secure shell 22. Is this fine? Okay, my question to everyone now then. So we should hit public IP, right? First. Public IP. So my question to everyone. So if you share your public IP, if someone seen your public IP, okay. So if someone has internet, they know protocol of SSH 22, everyone. They can access or not easily. So in our room, 30% are there, for example. If everyone knows your public IP, they are easily access or not? Is there any unique credentials? One-to-one? No. Port number 22, everyone knows. Everyone knows. Even you also enable security group in the security group level port number 22 to access from your system. So definitely if you are enable port number 22 here, everyone can access or not. May you can control in the rules, inbound rules. That is, we have an option. But the first point is, if you want to go your traffic, the protocol, public IP, along with this, there is no any unique authentication, right? In this, what are the things we have discussed? Internet, public IP, anyone can access. Internet, everyone has. Protocol is not, protocol is for everyone same. It's not like your system with different protocol, other system different protocol. SSH 22 is a unique for everyone. So all are public things here. There is no any private related stuff here. So what is that then? What we can do then here? Need certificate. That is for public. That is different story, right? I'm just talking about connection of your EC2 instance to authenticate. Think it. Keys. Rohit is saying keys. Yes, rules in firewall also we can control traffic, but before control traffic, we should connect our mission first, right? EC2 mission, right? Then we can go inside the rules and something. Okay. See what I'm trying to say. This is my server. This is my client. first we should successfully connect your machine. Then we are talking about rules here. Once you are enter into the AWS EC2 instance, connected, so reflected your EC2 machine to your local laptop, then we can just discuss like, rules, something. But here, my intention is just connect EC2 machine. Then we can discuss about rules. What traffic it allow, what traffic it's not allow. Okay, allow any we can discuss later. But here the point is just access EC2, my connect EC2 machine. Okay, in out of 7 step, is there any step for authentication step? Is there any? What is that? Key, right? Key. Key pair, right? Key pair, right? What is key pair here? So key pair is for everyone same key pair? Definitely no, right? Key pair is a unique identification for, especially for only, it will work for only you. Until you share your key pair to someone, nobody can access your EC2 machine, right? Right or not? That's what I'm trying to say here. So until you share your key pair, no one can access your instance. So what are the main things here? Protocol, public IP, internet, key pair. Okay. Now we can discuss about key pair. What is key pair here? So out of 7 steps, we have already done 2. So now I'm talking about key pair. After that, we can connect our EC2 machine. Okay. Okay. What is key pair, guys? Just give any sentence from you guys, online or offline. Identity. What? Okay. Unique identity. Next. Next. Next, anyone? Very good. Authentication, right? Authentication. What authentication here? Authentication of server, right? Authentication of server. So if you generate a key pair for this instance, you only can access, right? In your mobile also, you are generating key pattern, right? Key pattern only you can access. No one can access until you share your key pair to others. The reason is for device protection, right? Device protection. So you only going to access. So can I call authentication? So I'll just add one more point here in between. Security authentication. Yes. Clear now? Security authentication of server. Okay. Key pairs are 2 types. Key pairs are 2 types. What are those? Anyone knows? One is, that is a key format. I'll come to that point. Key pair 2 types. What are those? PEM and PPK is the format of key. Okay. So we have a 2 type of key pairs. One is public. One is private. Okay. One is public. One is private. Guys, font size and everything is it clear? Do I need to increase? Increase. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have increased, guys. So public and private. Why AWS is giving these 2 type of key pairs? The reason is, I'm coming to your point now. So here, this is my laptop. Guys, be patient for 15 minutes. You will get a clarity, complete picture. Huh? Don't worry. So this is my laptop. So this is my server. Okay, this is my server. So here key pair. Here also we have a key pair. Guess what is this key pair in laptop? In server? Okay. If you can go here, just a minute. Okay, if you can go here, launch instance. Okay, what is the step here? Key pair. Okay, we can use existing key pair. You should understand this very important point. Create new key pair or existing new key pair. Okay, so key pairs no need to create every time. Once you create a key pair one time, you can use the same key pair for all instances. But key pairs are region specific. If I created a key pair in North Virginia, so if you can go into Mumbai, so there is a DevOps key pair here, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'll just switch to Ohio region. Guys, you will get full clarity in 2 days, everything, okay? There is no keys here, Ohio region. So can I call key pairs in region specific? No, it's not a global. Clear? I'll just write that point here. Very important points. Okay, in interviews they will ask, you have created a key pair in North Virginia region, so if there is a requirement to create instance in Ohio region, so that same key pair is there or not, they can ask like that. No one is asked directly key pair is region specific like that, only scenario based questions. Okay, key pair is region specific. Guys, what you can understand, no need to by heart anything. If you know practical, you can write a theory from practical. Okay, no one asks that I need a same definition. No one asks. So from the practical, we can write a theory. Just for I'm showing you here to get it in that way. I'll just switch back to my North Virginia region. Okay, again. Guys, don't worry. I'm going to take Linux class for 1 or 2 days. I will give you good picture. Okay. Those 2 classes enough for AWS and DevOps also for Linux. Okay. No need to go in depth. Even I also don't know in the admin level. Okay. Not required. If I put my effect in Linux advanced level, I won't get much in the market. Okay. The whatever time I'm going to spend, if I spend on the Python, if I spend on database, my profile may increase. Okay. So don't go in depth. I know the situation in Linux. So where we are, I'm getting some requests from one-to-one messages regarding Linux classes. That's what I'm saying. So again, I'm in DevOps. Okay. Okay. So what you can understand, guys, here, sir, DevOps is the same keeper you are saying use for all instance. So from this point, may you confuse one keeper for all instance. So in that case, may you think EC2 1 will work for same key pair, EC2 will work for same key pair, third EC2 will work for same key pair. May you think? No, it's not like that, guys. Each instance generate unique password. Okay. Then why we are selecting DevOps for every instance? Anyone? So this is not a key. This is not a password. This is the key to retrieve your password. Getting what I'm trying to say here? Okay, I will show you now. Telegram. Okay. Abhinandan, are you here? Abhinandan. Have you joined here? Okay, clear. You are saying some issue is facing, right? Okay. Okay, guys, please concentrate. Huh? So what I'm trying to say here, if you can see, you will get clarity in 2 minutes. Don't worry. So here also key pair is there. Here also key pair is there. Okay, what is the difference? You know, excuse me, please concentrate here. Here is the difference is key pairs are two types. I'm saying, right? Public or private. Once you generate here, once you generate key pair here, if you download, see, I'm just creating new key pair for your understanding. This is the scenario one, key pair, new key pair, test. Okay. So definitely you should give key pair is a unique name again. If there is a key pair already there in the test, you won't going to create one more time. So I'm just giving key pair test. Create key pair. Immediately what happened? One key pair is downloaded in my laptop, right? Clear or not? Clear or not? This is private key. Okay. And same key pair is going to download in EC2 mission also. The same EC2 mission. I'm going to create same on EC2 mission, right? Same key pair also download in EC2 mission. So this is one key pair. This is one key pair. Server maintain one key pair. Your laptop maintain one key pair. Okay. The reason is, what is this key pair, public or private? If it is public, everyone access, right? Okay. This is private key pair. I will write here. This is public. Okay. So now think what I'm trying to say here. So already here key pair is downloaded. Okay. The backend of key pair, there is a one password we're unable to see, but I'm able to see here in my local. So if I open here, downloads, this is the key pair, right? So the backend, if you can see, this is the key. Okay. So if you download one more key pair for one more instance, if you use the same key pair test, the backend password may be different. You can think this is the password. Okay. You can think this is the password. If you create one more instance by using same key pair of DevOps, if you can check the key pair, that backend password is different. So what I'm trying to say here, you don't think so here. This is the actual key pair. Okay, this is the key pair to help retrieve password. Okay, now what I'm trying to say here, if you can see here, I'm using test here. For example, key pair test. Okay, the same key pair also downloaded in my server also, right? Once we click download, automatically my server download the key pair for both systems. One is local, one is server. The backend of the test is one password will create. This is very important, guys. One password will create. Okay. So the same process. This is EC2 1. Okay. The same process. I'll just copy paste here. Okay. So the same process, second instance. Okay. Second instance. I'll just change the color here. Okay. I'm using same key pair. So will you think the both passwords are same here? No, definitely no. If the both passwords are same, you are able to access all servers in the AWS. We have two options. If you want to use same key pair, you can use. Otherwise, you can create new key pair. But if you use same key pair or new key pair, the backend password different for all instances. That is the point here. Clear? You don't think if you use the same key pair for all instance, it will work for all instance same authentication. The passwords are different. Okay, the passwords are different, the backend, but you can access with the same key pair for all instance. Okay, how it will work? The reason is, if you choose test instance while creating up the key pair, test key pair while creating up the instance, immediately, if you choose the test, the backend 2 passwords are generated. One password is for laptop, one is for server. While connecting your instance from your laptop, you should give same key pair name. Okay, once you give test here while creating time, so the backend server also match test. If both are same, you are able to connect your server. Let's suppose here there is no key. If you are giving key, there is no point to cross check, right? Right or not? One example I'm trying to say here. Key pairs are same, but backend passwords are different. That's what I'm trying to say here. Okay. Key pairs are same. Key pairs are to retrieve your passwords, the backend passwords. I will tell you one example. Wait. Sorry. This is your mobile, guys. Okay, this is your mobile. This is key pattern. Okay. While you just want to apply for key pair in the same way. This key pair will store where? In your mobile motherboard. You can think. Okay, just generate key pair like this way. Okay, next time also it will ask second time. 2 times you given. Okay, it's applied key pair for this mobile. So next, if you give the key pair while access your mobile, like this, will it work? Not work. The reason is the backend this key pair already stored into your motherboard processor. If you give the same key pair additionally, it will go to your processor and check. No, this guy is given key pair is different before. Now he's trying different. So the reason is the backend your key pair stored into your processor. If you can give the same key pair only, you are going to access. Here, this key pair additionally, whatever you are giving, this is from the laptop. Here, whatever the key is storing into, this is the server key pair. Clear, no? Clear? Once you apply key pair, one key pair is downloaded into your server, one key pair is downloaded into your laptop. If you are trying to give other key pair, like instead of test in your laptop, maybe other key pair is there like DevOps something. If you can give the DevOps key pair, the request will go to your server first. But here the key pair is stored test while creating time. But you are giving DevOps. Immediately you will just go the request to your server. DevOps key pair is there or not, and say no. Here the key pair is the test. Immediately connection refuse. Clear what I'm trying to say here? This is the process. It will work. Okay. This is key pair is for, see guys, if we just generate instead of key pair the password to you and password to server also, it's very difficult to create every time to apply password and copy paste into your server and same thing into the server also. It's very difficult, right? We need some help to retrieve password. If you can see now, again I'm showing here. Do you think really this is going to store into your laptop, mobile server the same way? If you give key pair, just key pattern like this way, right? Do you think the backend also store in the same way? What way we're going to store? Password. The backend password is there. But for understand, and one more thing, there is an option to face password, right? Face. By using face, you can lock. Do you think your face same way to store into in the taking picture and to store into your the backend of in the mobile processor? No. Here, what are the key things are there? Those convert into code, and code is going to store in the backend. There is a converters will use here. Whatever platform you are choose, through face, through I, through pattern, the backend, it is convert into one code. Code is going to store. Okay. So can't we give code password? Why you are using this 3 types variations? By through eyes, through face, through call, through pattern. In initial days, only this option is only their password, right? Later, there is a evaluations to do our work simple, right? There is so many ways, but what are the ways are different, but the backend is maintained only one way, that is password way. But you are accessing your password in different ways, right? You should understand you are accessing your password in different ways by using face, by using eyes, by using voice, by using key pattern. So here also I'm just retrieving. Here you are retrieving your password by using face. Here you are retrieving your key, whatever the code is there, by using key pair. Clear what I'm trying to say here? Okay. Don't think much. If you're not understand, leave it. No one asked, show me the password of your key pair. Huh? Even we are unable to see that. Clear, guys, what I'm trying to say here? Okay, I will write one point here. Maybe you can understand. Password is different for each instance. Clear now? Even if key pair is same, but our key pair used to retrieve backend password. Retrieve backend password. Okay. Okay. The main point is, while generating key pair, whatever the key is going to store your laptop, the same key is going to store simultaneously into your server also. So while going to connect your server, you should give the same key pair, whatever you have attached. Then only you are able to access. Otherwise, you will get a refuse connection issues. Okay. We can use same key pairs, or we can create new key pair for instances. Guys, one more important point. If you lost your whatever key pair here, if I just deleted this key pair, there is no option to regenerate again. So key pairs are placed or stored in secure place. Okay, if you delete this key pair, there is no option to regenerate. Okay, so if you lost this key pair, just your server, there is no option to connect. Okay, that's the reason it's we should place very safe place. Okay, if you are regenerating, other people may just connect and regenerate from there and also. That is the reason it's a very secure way. Once you lost, like iPhone, right? If you forget your password, then leave hopes everything on your iPhone. The same thing also here also. So why they are maintaining secure? Yes. No. After connecting the key to EC2, if we delete the key, instance will work. You tell me once. Okay, you have connected instance. Always you are maintain the connection if there is a work or not. If you stop your, I will show you. If you stop your work for just even your laptop also, if you are not doing anything, it's going to sleep mode or not. Again, you should give password or not, right? Once your server also going to sleep mode, again you should give the password or not. If there is no password, it won't work, right? I hope your question is I have answered, right? It will may work for 30 seconds. There is no life generation for key pair, right? There is no like that lifetime duration. Keyboard is like this, okay, just we can download and save key same place only. There is no option to expire. But we can do one thing, guys. So if you from the server authentication purpose, we can't do anything. We should maintain same key pair into safe locations. we have multiple options. We can rotate the keys. I will tell you in the later classes, but not in the server level. We can do it. How we can do it? Once you give your old password, old key pair, so then you can create new key pair and download into both systems. We can do it, but there is no option. If you forget, if you lost your key pair into your local missions, there is no option to connect your server. This is very clear. The reason is the server already stored your key pair, right? While creating time. Once you regenerate key pair, what I told you clearly, each generation time the backend password will create, but you won't get same password and again, right? The meaning is password is unique, right? If you first time I'm downloading time, one password is downloaded, the same password also downloaded into that server. If they give option to regenerate again. So if the option they will give, what you will do, one more time you can regenerate. So the same password will download into server, but server definitely there is no option for overwrite the key pair. So the server may confuse with these two passwords, which password will give to this guy. That's the reason they are not giving this option. Okay. So if the second time, if you created a key pair, the backend one more password is created, this password and earlier time downloaded password definitely different. That's the reason you are unable to connect your server. Okay, whatever key pair were downloading time, the generated password both are same in local laptop and server. Once you deleted this key pair, if you regenerate, definitely the backend, the key pair name is same, but the backend passwords may different while doing the server and laptop. Definitely you will get a connection refuse error. Yes, Haider Khan, you are right. Okay, you can't do anything in the server side. You can do in the local side. Okay, clear? So key pairs are, we should maintain in safe place. I'll writing this point only. Maintain in safe place. Okay. I will show you in the lab. You can understand very clearly. There is no option regenerate key pair with same password which I downloaded into server. Okay. What is your question, Abhilash? You are not recovering the password. The system will recover the password, Abhilash. So you and system, there is in between you and system, the key pair will work. That's it. You won't you see, if you are applying password additionally, then why here key pair you use, right? There is a bridge between you and system, key pair only. Otherwise, you should remember 100 characters of key pair or 1000 character of key pair. The reason is it's a globally you are using, globally you are getting each server, each password. It's very difficult to do the activity. Even database also, if you can give 4 letters password, we forget every time, right? in your mobiles also. The reason is we need a unique option to retrieve password. Our unique option is to key pair only. Don't think test is a password. If the test is a 4-letter password, the AWS is not successful, right? If they give the 4 letters as a key password, everyone can hack. Test, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, today, megastar, power star. If you can give, everyone can access. So this is the key pair to retrieve your password only. The backend, there is a big password, what I have shown here, like, to open like this way. This is the character. This much of encrypted format. Okay. This is encrypted format. Can you understand this password? This is encrypted format. Once you upload into system, it decrypt into password, and the same password is stored into your server. Once you upload, it will decrypt into original password, and the connection may success. The same thing, you can assume this is your face in your mobiles. If you give your face, the backend decrypt and encoded, converted into code, you are able to access your password. So see, here also same it will work. But don't think face ID is there to server like that way. It's not problem. In regions, region specific. Okay, region specific. Yes, Anjali, you are right. Yes, from one instance key pair to other instance key pair, even though you are using same key pair, the backend password different. If you can see here, point what I mentioned here, password is different for each instance, even if key pair is same. Clear? This is for your key to access the backend password. Now question to everyone. This is very interesting question. Clear or all doubts with this question? Sir, if key pair is same, passwords are different, how my key pair can identify, will connect one instance or second instance? Anyone? Any genius here to answer this question? That was you asking, I know. I'm coming to that point. Wait here, Abhilash. I'm taking you from one level to other level. Don't worry, I know everything. Dacham, chala. Tell me. Tell me, guys. Every key is a specific to its look. Then how you key pair is understand, I should go this mission, I should go this mission. This is my question. Right? These are key pair ID. Key pair ID, key pair name, both are same. How your key pair is going to connect only first instance or second instance or third instance, but all key pairs are same. How? Think it, guys. Is there any unique identification for each server? Very good, Dinesh. Answer is IP. Clear now? Clear? Based on the IP, the backend keyword password is generated. Clear? Clear? Okay, I will show you now. Okay, till here everything is clear. Okay, so which IP you see while connecting your EC2 mission, definitely the first you should give IP, right? Okay, so immediately the key pair is going to connect based on the IP with your in server, right? Okay. But if VPN is used, IP will change, na sir. See, you are using the same VPN only. You are connected the password, right? Right? You tell me one thing. In your real case, you are not going to use public IPs. Am I clear or not? In real time, there is a process we can understand in the coming classes. Don't worry, See, guys, this key pair is for only connected through public IP, public platforms. In real time, there is a way to connect. Okay, we are not supposed to use public IPs. The backend, there is a process that is a bash and host process. We can learn everything in coming classes. Okay, clear? If you are connecting directly public IP, if you are using public internet, the data is not secure in real time. For do the activities, we are using always public IPs. I will show you how to connect private IP using public IP also. At that time, you can understand very clearly. Okay. Clear? Anyone has any doubts? Okay. So we have public IP, we have internet protocol SSH keeper. Try to connect our laptop from laptop to EC2 server now. Okay. Just for understanding. Okay. Go to instances. Okay. I'm going to create one more instance here. Test. Key pair. I'm going to generate now. First time. Okay. Demo. Already keeper is there in my local. So demo test. Okay. So you can give RSA ED 2551 and that there is no difference. The backend encryption format is different. If you can see my keeper here in Notepad in the different way, right? If you select ED 2551 in the different way, that's it. The retrieve process and everything is same. It's a little advanced level they have introduced to understand keeper only. So this is the file format. If you can choose .pem, we can connect using SSH. If you are choosing .ppk, you should use the putty tool. But here I'm using MobaXterm tool. Create key pair. So immediately the keeper is downloaded into my local laptop. Same keeper is downloaded into server. Okay, clear? Okay. So, okay, everything is same. I'll just go to security groups. Now you tell me, guys, what should I enable here? Default. In default, okay, I will show you once create EC2 instance. Don't worry. So everything we know till type and everything. Advanced details we can discuss in coming classes. Don't worry. Launch instance. Instance. This is the test. Is a pending state. So there is a public IP. So guys, we know to connect server from the local laptop, we need a prerequisites. We require prerequisites. What are those? Public IP, key pair, protocols. These three is required, right? So, and we have a different options to connect using third-party tools, or from you can connect from here also. Okay, there is a option connect. So no need to connect from local laptop. If you want to connect from local laptop, we can use the third-party tool that is name call. You also use this tool only. It's a very nice tool, MobaXterm. Okay, MobaXterm. I will show you how to download that also. Don't worry. So this is the tool, MobaXterm. This is the dashboard. Okay. So go to sessions. This is the first step, which I need to select here. SSH protocol, right? SSH protocol. Which IP? Remote host is nothing but public IP. Okay. I should select public IP. Okay. Let me check my instance is up and running or not. So just refresh. Okay. Taking public IP. Advanced SSH settings. Just select key pair, private key pair. See, I said private key pair is for in our local laptop, right? Select, open. Now the backend using this key pair retrieving password from the server. Okay. Okay. See, accept, login as. So the default username for AWS Linux instance is EC2 user. Okay. Done. I'm able to connect my server. Okay. I'm in server now. Using my laptop, I have connected my server using key pair public IP protocol. So protocol, how we should ensure? Number of instance, Aswin. I will answer your question. Wait, Bharata. Okay. So is this clear now? Okay. So what I'm going to do here, if you can see here, go to now key pair is we are clear and IP we are clear. So I'm just focus on now security group, the specific protocol rule only. I'm not going to say security groups for today, but I'll just open security group here. Right click and open. These are inbound rule, outbound rules. Okay. If you can see here, edit inbound rule, I'm going to delete the rule for SSH. Okay. Delete. And also I'm going to delete all rules. There is no inbound rule now, right? Otherwise we can enable rule for different rule. Not SSH. I'm just RDP. Okay. Anywhere for IP4. Save rule. Okay. So now see, if I'm unable to do anything, the reason is connection refuse. Okay. Okay. What I can do, I just close this session and I'm going to try connect again the same public IP. SSH. What is a public IP? Just to give control V. Advanced SSH settings. Private key. I'm just giving my private key here. And public key already there in the server, the same server, the both if can match, only you are able to connect. Okay. See, this time I'm not getting login as. What is the reason? So if you can observe yesterday class, I have enabled different rule, right? RDP is for Windows, for Linux, SSH, but I have disabled the protocol. I have allowed the protocol here. So security group, there is no, I'm not allowed protocol. That's the reason I'm getting connection timeout. So in your practicals, you will face this issue many times. Don't confuse. If you'll get connection timeout, simply go and check your security group inbound rule is enabled or not. Right? Any practical in the real time also will face these issues regularly, frequently. Connection timeout is nothing but okay, this guy is accessing Linux mission, that is protocol is SSH22. May inbound rule 22 is enabled or disabled. We can go and check. If it is not disabled, we can enable it. So what I'm going to do again, edit inbound rule. So we can create number of rules here. So I'm going to select SSH. Port 20 already reflected here. You can give anywhere or your public, your laptop IP. I will discuss the source. Don't worry for everything. I'll just give anywhere IP4. Save rule. Okay, now SSH is there. Now go. So we can, if you can give control R, we can able to refresh your page. So for your better understanding, I'm close the session and again, I'll open session SSH public IP. Okay, I'll go on copy paste here. This is the server, right? Public IP. Control V. Key pair. Demo test. Open. Okay. So this time I'm able to see login as. So I'm able to connect. Easy to user. This is the default username. Clear now? So it's the same practical we can do. I'll just close the session again. What I'm going to do this time, go to sessions. I'll just give SSH. I'll just give public IP again. I'll just give user private key. This time I'm going to give different key. Okay. My server is there in the demo test key, but the backend password is different, but I'm trying to give by using test key pair. Okay. So this time login as we are getting EC2 user server refused. Key is different. No supported authentication method available. So you should understand the errors. Okay. In real time, they will ask interviews what type of errors you face till now. What are the challenges you face? You just use these 2 points. Okay. First error is you just maintain the 2 or 3 pages for errors EC2. The first error is connection timeout. If you are not enable protocol, and next is authentication. If you are not giving correct key, you will get an authentication error. Okay, you should maintain the 2 errors. Don't say in interviews, if I'm getting authentication error, maybe inbound rule is not enabled. Authentication is different. Protocol is different. Protocol, if you are not giving, even though you are unable to see login as. Clear? Authentication is protocol is there, public IP is there, everything is there. Your request will go to server first. Right? Your request will go to server. Then after check, verify the key. You are unauthorized person. So I'm not giving any response to you. You refuse your key. But protocol, yesterday we discussed, right? We needed some mode of travel by using something. So we have to go to our request to server. I have a travel resource that is a protocol. My request will go to server. Then there is no key and I get an authentication error. But in before case, even I'm unable to see login as also the request, I will not yet start to go your server. There is no protocol to go your request from my local laptop to server. Clear everyone? Anyone has any doubts here? Anyone? Non-ITs? Very important errors, 2 errors. I will ask you today, tomorrow. You just, anyone, I will explain one more time. Don't worry. Online, I got response for only 2 people. What about others? If you have any doubts, you just do the practice. How you get the test file in Notepad. What is the key pair you're talking about? You just open the key pair, that's it. Sorry? Once? How should I change? Yes, we cannot. We cannot do it, right? If you can see in the points, we cannot regenerate. Okay, what I'll do, in your case, I will try. Go to action, securities. No, there is option. Okay. And keeper is comes under security module, right? If you can see the demo test, here is the demo test, right? I'll just go to create keeper again. So module I have created. If you can see, all are the created key pairs in the key pair session. So in my case, module also there, right? Sessions, SSH. Here is the advanced settings, key pair, module, right? Open. Okay. EC2 user. Clear? Clear? The reason is your end you have downloaded the key pair, but server can't do like that. Okay, server is not maintaining multiple copies of password. Even if you try your mobile also, if you change your password, the old one may delete, right? But the same option is not provided for server end to override your passwords. Okay, it's a security issues. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Anyone? Okay. So tomorrow you just do this practice. in your what. Okay, so first you should, what you can do, don't try everything is, like you enable everything and connect and just keep the lab got done. Okay, you just create always what I did here. Okay, you just disable the protocol and just disable the key pair and whatever the things you can handle, you can do and check everything. Okay, what? Simple, yeah. You guys are installing Instagram. Simply, no one is saying download mobile stem. That's it, guys. Click on this. You just install professional edition. You will get $70. Don't do that. Huh? Download now here. So here you will get two: home edition, installer edition, portable edition. Just go with installer edition. Okay. If you just click download may start, I'll just cancel. Okay. That's it. You can open. You are able to see this page, first page. Okay. You just go to sessions and start your work. Okay. Start your work. We can use putty also. We can use GitHub also. We can use command prompt also. We can use CLI also. So many ways we have. But out of all tools, but I experience MobXTM is a good way to do that. Sir, can I have the videos for last? Guys, if you have any doubts, videos, Linux classes, please contact admin team. Okay. I just help for first 2 days to help you guys to understand these queries, but keep on, you guys are asking to me these questions. I don't know what's going on the back end also even. Okay. So once again, I'm requesting to everyone, the Telegram group is created to share our knowledge only. Okay. Please, that what it's diverted to ask other things in that. Please, first 2 days, I just try to clear your things, but you guys are keep on stick on to this group is for ask only admin related things. Okay. Don't ask anything in that sandbox. See, whatever things you can ask to admin team only. Sir, I'm unable to connect server. You can ask me. In real time, I can't say this tool, right? Many tools depends on you. Okay, real time. If I ask you question, we are using like CLI, GitHub, these things only. The reason is you are not connecting public IPs in real time, right? Now, question to everyone. So just help me to understand. Can I connect private IP? So you guys do this all activities, guys. If I say 3 points, don't stick on for 3 points. You have a lot of time, right? I'm not finishing class in trainings in 45 days, 30 days. Okay. I'm giving the more time to you. Don't misuse. You can do. Wait, Bharat. I'm doing the same thing only here. So I'm just pasting private IP here. I'm just giving my actual key here. Demo test. Open. So you tell me then, what is the error I will get? Am I able to access my server or not? If yes, tell me how. If no, also tell me how. Okay. Manasa saying no. Key will not match. I'm giving same key, right? Guess you can think one, you can understand one thing, guys. Public IP will work. How? Public is nothing but how it will work. Yesterday we already discussed. Very good, Ashwin. Private IP will work to connect inside network only, right? Inside network only. Yes, Ravi, you can, Ravi. I'm going to discuss about AWS Glue, Redshift, RDS. Python, I'm not going, Python is related to only AWS. I'm going to teach you. Don't think so. Python will cover everything. Okay. Yes. Okay. I will come to your point. So guys, tell me guys, am I able to connect? My laptop is outside of network. If outside of network, how can you connect? Using internet only. Okay, using internet only. But private IP will work for inside. You are saying the word itself private, right? If you are able to access, why all instance servers are maintaining different IPs? They can maintain only one IP, right? Why we are maintaining private IP, public IP, different? Public IP is only help to connect by using internet over the internet. I'm connecting my server over the internet only, right? Right or not? If I disable Wi-Fi here, even I'm unable to connect public IP also. Right or not? What I'm trying to say, you should understand all the points, guys. Don't stick on 1, 2, 3 points. You should understand all the ways, then you will get a good knowledge. Okay, good knowledge. So you can try. No need to tell. You just stop your Wi-Fi and try it. If you can try always. I couldn't find mobile stump for Mac. So Mac, you can do one thing. Just go to open terminal. Okay, use this SSH command. Mac. So whoever using Mac, just go through these steps only. Go to instance. Okay. Go to connect. You can able to connect here also from. We are also connect here. Directly, we are using AWS environment. No need to use your third-party tool. Mobextum something. But the reason, the experience is not good here. Experience is not good. See, if you want to go back again, you just go back to instance. Again, you come back. May you feel not like tool. Okay. You don't get knowledge also if you can do everything. What's going on in the back end? The connection back. Everything managed by AWS. But it's not a good practice. Okay, it's not a good practice. You should go to do the things in your everything from the scratch. Anyway, so the point is for Mac, right? Go to SSH client. Whoever using Mac users, go to SSH client. Okay, copy this command and paste it into terminal and give password authentic. The password downloads is there, right? Where is the downloads here? Here. You just go to this directory first in your laptop. Okay, give CD. I think if you know the commands of Linux, you just go to CD demo test into your this directory. If the terminal is showing to any other directory, just switch to this directory, like this file. Then you can give this command. Otherwise, you will get error. I will show you the same process also tomorrow. Don't worry. In my laptop. Okay. Okay. Default command is nothing but easy to user. Okay, default user. We can create new user and you can give it also. Everything we can learn, don't worry. So this class, what we discussed till now is for only connection. You just stick on 3 factors. One is for IP, one is for key pair, one is for protocol. I haven't discussed in depth protocols. Just we have enabled SSH. If you can see in the protocol security groups, it will take 1 day time. Okay. One by one we can cover. So key pair done. If you can come here, launch instance, if you can come here. Okay, till now instance type got done, key pair done, and AMI done. But we had to start network settings and security groups. If those we can discuss in very low level, then we can create EC2 mission and again. Okay. As of now, 100% like instance type, key pair, and only AMI, right? So what we can do in the future, just I have connected my server into local laptop, right? I'm going to host one application. Okay. So from this instance, I'm going to create AMI. right? What we same things we discussed, right? That AMI we are going to launch one more instance. So from that instance, we just log into the MobiXTM tool or anywhere. We can check the application there or not. We can try to access using public API. So to know that AMI, first we should understand how to connect mission, right? That's the reason I'm just covered this topic today. If I jump directly to connect this EC to mission to take the AMI and install application and everything, may you confuse. Okay, we are coming from, from the scratch, from step to step. Don't confuse with other things. I'm going to cover everything, clear everything your doubts. Don't worry. Okay. So to understand one topic, definitely we should compromise with other related topics until I cover in depth. Just I have shown enable SSH 22. You don't think so? Security groups part done. To enable the traffic only, I have enabled security group to show you this lab. Okay. But one day we'll cover security groups for very low level, everything in deeper. At that time, if you have any questions on the security group, I will ask you, then you can ask me questions. Now, as of now, we discuss instance types, key pair, AMI. AMI also not yet done lab, theory only. If you have any questions on these three topics, you can ask any question. But until I say done this topic, if you confuse with other things, you always think, like in confused way only. As of now, I'm saying done for three topics, and before that EC2 instance topics also. See, these topics done except launch template. Okay. And AMI theory done and connection done. If you have any doubts on EC2 instance types, AMI, these module, you can ask any question. If I say done, you can ask any question. Okay, got it right? If you ask here na security groups, how can you create? Maybe may confuse others. May topic got done. Okay, study materials. You will get it everything. Some discussions is going on in the Telegram. That's the reason I haven't, share that thing. Guys, if you still pending to join classroom, please complete it today. I should share all the things there only. Okay, not in Telegram. I got instructions from management. Don't share anything in the Telegram. Other people also has joined in that. Don't misuse the platforms. If they tell me to delete all this platform, only use class material, it's very difficult to communicate you and me. Okay, don't misuse the platforms. I requested to them to continue this Telegram group for better understanding. I haven't discussed any lab, guys, till now. Lab is nothing but where? Nejat. How can I join Telegram? Can anyone please share the Telegram link here? Okay, I'm taking your request from the Nejat. I will just apply next time onwards. Okay, don't worry. Guys, lab is nothing but what? First, I should understand from you. Lab is nothing but what? Just we are doing the here only, right? Is this practical or theory? Whatever you have done 3 steps, is this practical or theory? Practical, then why you are confusing? Is there any different timings for practicals? Lab is nothing but I'm not going to dismantle laptop and show you everything. The same thing, whatever doing the same thing on the lab. Don't confuse. What the mentors is conveying you guys, if you have a still doubt on those topics, okay, if you feel you need a support from others, you can sit together or join together, like, with the mentors, you can fulfill your doubts. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, lab is nothing but there is no separately we are doing. Whatever we are discussing in theory, what we are doing that steps here, that is the lab. I'm going to give you tasks also in the coming classes. Please be patient. Okay. We are learning here. We are not doing anything. Once we're done, I'll give you the content, everything, what you have to do in the lab. Okay. Anyone has any doubts? Are you clear? Still having any doubts? Guys, Monday onwards, please join in time 7:30. I'm going to close class at sharp 8:45. Okay, DevOps is going to start morning 9 a.m. Okay, So please don't join 7:45, 7:50. If you join, may you miss content, definitely. Time should be 7:30. I will start sharing my screen at 7:30. Okay, if you miss 15 minutes before, it's very difficult to understand the topics. Okay, clear? Okay. So what you guys need to do practically in your home, create one EC2 mission. If required, I will send the task list. Create one EC2 mission and enable all protocols like SSH and access from the public IP by using key pair. Okay. Next, the same lab you can do different key pair. Same lab you can do different private IP. Same lab you can do disable rule. Okay. 4 ways you can test what you observe. Let me know tomorrow. Okay. So I did here small mistake. If anyone find that mistake, it's very appreciate you guys. I wanted to did one mistake here in the lab. Okay. You just try to get it. What mistake I did wantedly. So coming classes also wantedly, I'm just doing the mistakes. You should find out the mistakes. Okay. Everything we did right, but one mistake I did. While connecting server, while disconnecting server, you should find out that. Okay. This is the task to you guys. Okay. Okay. Bye. Nice talking to you guys. Bye. Guys, don't worry. You will get clarity in 5 days, everything. Okay. Bye.